Hi everyone, this is Fabio Malgorani. Let's take a look to the main feature of our brand new dirt separator, the Jupiter Compact. The Jupiter Compact dirt separator comes in a single box with code H152. Inside the package you will find the dirt separator with brass cap, a ball valve, a connection fitting, and the instruction leaflet in 4 languages. The main feature of the Jupiter Compact dirt separator is the transparent decanter chamber. Brass components are high-quality parts. We have a female-female fittings in nickel-plated brass, a heavy ball valves nickel-plated, and the rubber gaskets. The body of the Jupiter Compact dirt separator is 70% PA66 and 30% fiberglass, internal cartridge in stainless steel 304 800 micron mesh, EPDM seals, and neodymium magnetic cartridge with 12,000 gauss power. This is the standard assembly. The ball valve can also be mounted in other ways, simply by moving the position of the cap and fittings according to the needs of the system. One of the most important features of the Jupiter Compact dirt separator is the conveyed flow. Thanks to the internal structure, in any filter position, horizontal or vertical, the fluid always passes through the stainless steel cartridge and flows in contact with the magnetic cartridge. In this way, thorough and complete cleaning is guaranteed right from the first cycle. Cleaning and maintenance of the Jupiter Compact dirt separator is very simple. As a first step, close the shut-off valve, one at the inlet for this model, or 2 for the version with double valve. Using a 29mm open wrench, unscrew the transparent glass. We can do this by hand right now. Remove the second internal O-ring and the stainless steel cartridge. At this point, we can remove the magnetic cartridge. Once you've done the washing and cleaning of the internal parts, O-rings and stainless steel cartridge, you can proceed with the assembly, paying great attention to positioning the O-rings in their seat correctly, the stainless steel cartridge in perpendicular position. And finally, we can now insert the magnetic cartridge. Once the body is sealed, we can open the flow. The first maintenance must be performed 1 month after the first installation, then every 12 months. You can find all this information in the leaflet into the package. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe the YouTube channel and see you soon.